men, one belt. Nepal's Rabindra Dant has thunder in both of his hands. 100% fight finishes. Whoever survives this early chaos might just walk out with that belt.
I mean, the bad blood between these two guys is evident. I mean, India and Nepal, we're friends. It's not a country thing. This is between two men. They've been talking for a long time. Koran is such a sweet guy, but in his own sweet way, he's been dissing him. And Dant is here to prove a point. Dant comes in with incredible international experience. He's got some wins, some losses. And the fact that he said at the press con and said before, leading up to the fight, even his corner said this, who has Jungran Koran really fought? Who has he really fought? And he mocked them by calling him, he took on fighters who were way past their prime. And he might have a point there because this is going to be Jungran Koran's real first fight against someone who's in his age, in his prime. And time will tell if that shot, if it is going to work or not.
Well, here comes the Dant shot. Let's look at his keys to victory. He needs to weather the early storm, pick his own shots and counter effectively, and he needs to test his cardio in the later rounds. Rabindra Dant, he's the pride of Nepal, the only true breakout star from the land of Himalayas and the undisputed face of Nepal MMA. I mean, his journey has been nothing short of inspirational. Arjun, he started his life as a piece-weight labor, found true love in MMA, and he's always been fighting international opponents. His last fight was against a Chinese opponent at Brave Combat Federation, and he delivered a successful, a badass knockout.
And his opponent, the Indian Rhino, Jungran Koran.
Let's give it up for the reigning, defending MFN Bantamweight champion. From being absolutely nobody to the most dominant force in Indian MMA, MFN's Bantamweight champion, Jungran Koran is here. I mean, it's taken everything for him to get here. No shortcuts, no easy roads, just sheer hard work, grit, and undeniably the best skill in the game.
You know, when I started working and when I was part of I was invited to be part of the commentary team on Matrix Fight Night, and one of my first fight nights I saw Jungran Koran fight. The first thing that comes to mind is this man is like a fighter called Mark Munoz. Mark Munoz was a veteran fighter in the UFC more than 10 years ago, but this guy was known for his ground and pound and his Donkey Kong punches. And that's what I'm saying. The Donkey
Self-protected. If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go, main event of the evening. Champion Jungran Koran will defend his belt against Rabindra Dant. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go, round number one. Dant in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold. A lot of questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh, Jungran charges in.
You know, it's interesting, in the fight against Muhammad Farad, we saw Farad get a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before, you know, Jungran decided to take him down and Donkey Kong punch him. But
well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set. It's like Jungran versus Jungran or Rabindra versus Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man.
Nice entry by Jungran Koran. Comes over with the right hand and good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Oh, straight into mount.
Rabindra's gone.
He's got the mount here, and look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Jungran Koran, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. Oh, a lot of shots. Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Jungran Koran. Jungran doing a good job defending this. But there's only so much you can do.
Ravindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin
Oh,
on
man.
Changran Koran though. And look at that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of Ravindra Dhatt. Oh!
Look at that again, trying to turn it around, but Ravindra Dhatt with superior positioning, landing those shots to the side of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
Thing that Changran normally does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kanta. Oh,
Look at the
man.
welt that's formed on the right hand side of Changran's face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Changran looks rocked.
Oh, no, Changran
Right
looks a
hand
little
by
hurt
Ravindra.
still. He's still a little hurt because Ravindra Dhatt landed at least 20 or 30 big shots, and props to him. And again, man, there we go. We've never seen Changran Koran being Changran Koran because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting outclassed
He's flattened him out in front of his corner, and now big shots here. Big shots. Changran Koran is in trouble early on in this round. It's just the first round. He's taken so much punishment, and that's what we said. I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koran have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his... I talked about it. Wrestlers like Changran Koran have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
Let me tell you something.
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark Goddard.
Ravindra's team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Ravindra is knocking out Changran
It's not
Koran.
over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it, but Changran Koran has taken so much damage that Ravindra Dhatt he's holding on to the right hand, and he's trying to get up, but Ravindra Dhatt is trying to choke him out. I know what he's trying to do. The desperation move here from Changran Koran, very smart, because he was almost finished.
It's been for Ravindra Dhatt.
My God, dominant is an understatement, man.
He's known as Dhatt shot for a reason. Oh,
look at that reversal!
It's
Return fire from the champion. This fight is far from over, my friend. I mean, you never know. It's still,
you never know.
It's the amount of action that's happened in the first minute, in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him down. No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you use it to your advantage.
Changran fighting back now in the
Changran,
same manner as Ravindra did.
Changran, though, what a heart of a champion. He took a pounding.
Goes in for the double leg.
He's battered and busted up, but now he gets good defense, good hips from Ravindra Dhatt. And man, the right hand side of Changran's face is busted up. Good trip from Ravindra. The reversal.
That scramble.
Man, again, Ravindra Dhatt again. And this is what I mean. Changran Koran is so tough, but Ravindra Dhatt is pouring.
We are yet to see a knockout tonight, and this could be it.
Man.
Both these guys are swinging for the fences.
The damage that Changran Koran has taken so far, and the bombs that Ravindra Dhatt is throwing at him.
Ravindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Caught him with the left coming in, and Changran sloppy trying to land a big overhand right on him.
Don't swing wide.
And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful... Well, if Changran Koran loses tonight, he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's
Quiet. Don't talk to me.
big slip from Dant, and Changran Koran capitalizes on this position. Oh man, Dant slipped over the top. Here we go. Dant now reverses it. But Changran Koran back on with that pressure. Don't ever count him out of a fight. This is a tough, grueling, something to admire. Because he's trying so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of this situation. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one. But man, what a chin on Changran Koran. He's still in it. But there's only so many shots that the human skull can take. Another big one. Another big hand. Ravindra Dhatt opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt. He's out. He is out. We have a new champion. Ravindra Dhatt has pulled off the upset. And the Soma team is going.
This could
batshit
be
crazy
the
in front of
biggest
me.
upset in the history of
We
Indian
talked about
MMA.
it. I talked about it. I said that this will be the first real test for Chongren Koren. And he saw it. He was beaten. His on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well, the bantamweight belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN 10 after defeating Dhruv Chaudhary. And then later he had to vacate the title. Chongren Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I mean, I met his corner.
fighter
and we
from
were,
Nepal to win a title at Matrix
Exactly.
Fight Night. Look at that! Look at
It's
that
great.
finish. Drop
I mean,
Chongren Koren.
there you go. That was the end. It was
man.
over.
This
It was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the evening and the only knockout that we see
you got
in
your
MFN
knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
We've been waiting for a knockout
Man.
and Rabindra Dutt
My
does it
God.
in fashion.
It's the way he did it. He broke
Oh.
him down, and to do that to Chongren Koren says something. That he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing.
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No. You know what? Chongren Koren is
I
such
mean, you
a
can't
solid
replace
fighter.
the skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know it's not like Chongren Koren got just suddenly flash knocked out. He broke him down in his manner. He broke him down with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible. And Chongren Koren is in no. I think it's okay. He's going to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now. But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of punishment. It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final decision. For one last time, Jared Kyle, give us the decision in the cage.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mark Goldart called the stop of this fight after 54 seconds of round 3 for your winner by knockout and the new MFN Bantamweight World Champion Rabindra Dutt!
You know, I say this over and over.
One word. Maybe I deserve a bonus. Thank you.
You deserve a bonus. We'll tell Aisha Shroff that. But it's been fantastic. As I say goodnight from the cage here, I'm going to throw it to the comms. It's been historic, and it's only just beginning.
MFN में मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा MFN में आने के लिए जैकी श्रॉफ सर थैंक यू सो मच उन्होंने मुझे ये फाइट दिलाई उन्होंने बोला कि MFN को रविंद्र को लाओ मैं 3 साल पहले से कोशिश कर रहा था MFN में फाइट करने के लिए जस्ट फाइट दो करके लेकिन पहले कोई और थे उन्होंने कुछ सुना नहीं पर जैकी श्रॉफ सर ने एक फाइट देखी बुलाया आओ थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू आई समम थैंक यू एवरीवन थैंक यू टीम ध्रुव थैंक यू दैट्स इट ओ थैंक यू सपोर्टर्स नेपालबाट यहाँ आउनुभएको थ्याङ्क यू सो मच एभ्रिवान मेरो पुरानो टिम कम्ब्याट एमएमए क्लब थ्याङ्क यू गाइज जय नेपाल जय हनुमान थ्याङ्क यू द्याट्स इट
The champion, Rabinder! From MFN 17. It was historic. One of the best fight cards. All of them.